Using any in TypeScript is like turning off your seatbelt because it's uncomfortable. Sure, it gives you freedom, but you lose all protection when things go wrong. The fundamental difference is this. Any disables type checking completely, letting you do anything without compiler errors. Unknown is the opposite. It forces you to prove what type you're working with before you can use it. With any, TypeScript trusts you blindly. With unknown, it makes you earn that trust through type checking. Here's why unknown is safer. When you assign a value to any, you can immediately call methods, access properties, or pass it anywhere. No checks. Unknown blocks all of that until you narrow the type first. You literally cannot perform operations on unknown without proving its type. That's type safety at work. So when should you use each? Use unknown for values from external sources. API responses, user input, or JSON.parse results. Anywhere you genuinely don't know what you're getting. Use any sparingly, only during migration from JavaScript or when dealing with poorly typed third-party libraries. Think of any as technical debt. To work with unknown, you need type narrowing. Use typeof for primitives, instanceof for class instances, or custom type guards for complex types. Once you've checked the type, TypeScript knows it's safe and lets you proceed. This pattern catches bugs at compile time instead of runtime, which is the whole point of TypeScript. Bottom line, default to unknown for uncertain types, narrow them safely, and only reach for any when you have no other choice. Your future self will thank you. Want to ace more TypeScript interviews? Check out Interview Mentor for personalized practice. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.